Good morning. I got my hair braided last night. My friend was quite late, so I didn't have her dip the ends or put mousse or anything on it. So today we're gonna do a quick little braid prep, okay? My favorite products, of course. Braid prep mukbang using evolving textures. Okay, this is the Pattern's edge brush. Knotless K bonnet kept my braids off my neck while I slept. Like, look at that. Put that braid in there. Comfort sleeping, okay? The most important part of the day. Some of the little braid oil spray. This is the drip oil moisturizing spray from Evolving Textures. So we're gonna just loosen that scalp up. Ooh. Baby, get your shine on. I'm gonna go in with the Evolving Textures Remember Me foam. Y'all know that's the best feeling after getting some braids. And I went to sleep without doing this because I said, I might as well make them real crisp in the morning. Just like to just bring them out so I know what I'm working with. All right, now time to dip. Go put them down, CJ. Why are you Last but not least, some good old school hair sheen. And boom, y'all. Look at them crispy braids for my braid prep, okay? Hold up, your girl forgot to do her edges. A pattern edge brush. This is like one of the best edge brushes that I have found. Do my little ooh. And there we have it, y'all. The braid prep video you didn't know you needed, okay? Costa Rica coming up soon.